Hey!
We're here at the Lantern Fest, and this is our second time doing this, and I'm so excited because it's been a few years, and it's a beautiful day out.
Yep.
So I think it's gonna be a great time.
And we've got some friends coming too,
We do.
and we're also gonna try to make friends and just have a fun time. They have tons of food trucks, and we're really excited about that.
Yeah, so we just found our fire pit, which is gonna be fun. So now we just need to set up our chairs.
Yeah!
All right, we got our spot. Now we just need some friends.
And food.
Deep fried corn, lots of good food options. Ooh, Jake, what sounds fun?
R&R barbecue sounds good, but I think this Indian curry on wheels looks really good.
All right, here's our Indian curry and some naan. And next stop. We got back to our seats, and now it's time to eat.
Yum, look at that Indian food.
It smells really good. How is it?
This is awesome.
Yeah, let's see a close-up of that. Oh, yum. Looks real good. Lanterns.
Hi.
Three? Nice. Sorry, 2, 3.
Awesome.
Here's your matches.
No, it was not. He was just trying to get
Here you go.
Awesome, thank you.
Well, we have some daylight out. We thought it was time to color on our lanterns. They gave us a little like Sharpie marker, but we brought a whole bag of markers so we can
Nice.
have rainbow lanterns. Jake, Kelsey, and Tina. Firewood!
Wow, that looks amazing. So good, huh?
Oh, Matthew.
It's almost time! Everyone's excited!
Let the hot air go inside until it builds up, and then you just lift it up and it'll just go up.
Because those are pro tricks, huh?
Yeah. We're inflating it.
All right! This is the hard part.
This is.
But it's also the fun part. But you gotta make sure that you don't burn through your tissue on it.
Okay, now just set it down.
Oh look! There's us. And tuna.
Okay, now we just have to hold it here while it inflates first.
Okay.
You did it.
Hard to get it up in the air. It is like a smoky cloud everywhere.
So cool.
Look at a smoky fog. What did you find?
Found churros to go on the road.
Oh, that's so fun. Did Did you have a good time?
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Well, it's been a super fun night at Lantern Fest.
Awesome, there's still some lanterns going.
A few left, a few lone stars out there.
But this is so much fun.
I know. Do you feel like we're on the Tangled movie?
Yes. What was that movie called?
Tangled?
Tangled.
Like the Tangled movie with Rapunzel?
I know.
That one?
Yeah.
That was
Anyway,
awesome.
This is rad.
Yeah, it's been a super fun night. If you ever get a chance to go to Lantern Fest, do it. It's super magical. It's a little hard to light the lanterns, but once you get it down, yeah, I think as long as you hold it to the ground and let it fill up with the air, then it makes it really easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it took us just a little trying to get it down.
They're not trash bags.
What are they?
They're lanterns.
I wonder if we could find ours.